Welcome everyone. To start off the recipe for the Houston's key lime pie, or almost Houston's key lime pie, I do my whipping cream. So I've had my bowl and whisk in the freezer, and what we'll actually do is separate that so that 1 cup will go into the key lime pie mixture itself and the other will be for garnish afterwards. So here we go. We're going to start that a little low just so we don't splash it all over the place. And then we're going to just speed this up a little bit and pour in our 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar. Turn that up to high and just let this whip. So our whipping cream's done and we have a lovely firm texture here going on. You don't want to over whip it. It can get a little kind of dry and break down a little bit. So I'm going to stick this in the refrigerator because I have another bowl I can slap on here to do the filling. If you don't have that, then you would just take this, put it in a container and stick it in your fridge. Okay, so with our crust, what I had put in here was 9 graham crackers, a 1/2 cup of roasted pecans, and make sure to roast them because it does really bring out the flavor. 1½ teaspoons of cinnamon, 2 tablespoons of sugar, just a smidge of nutmeg, a dash of salt, and 10 tablespoons of butter melted. And I just let that cool back down, but it doesn't have to be completely cool. It can still be warm. Okay, we are going to put this in the oven for 15 minutes on 350. We are changing out the whisk attachment we had for batter attachment. We're going to do our 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk. Four egg yolks. I usually keep the whites to do meringue or make an egg white frittata or something to try to not throw them away. So they are in the fridge. Orange zest, I also put a little bit of lemon in here too, and you can mix that up however you like. You can put a little bit of lime as well, whatever you want to do. And there is our crust going off. Okay, we're back. The crust came out of the oven and you would just cool that completely, put it in the refrigerator or the freezer, and just get it to the point where you can put the filling in it. You don't want it to be warm. So, continuing with our filling, and now we're going to put in our lemon juice. So I'm just turning this on a little low. And this is our mixture of juices. So this is 5 tablespoons of lime juice, 3 tablespoons of lemon. Just going to let that give a little mix around there. So we have finished mixing the filling, and now we're going to fold in the whipped cream. So of course we want to be careful, do this with a rubber spatula and get that blended as best you can without breaking down the cream too much. Now the other recipes that I have seen for key lime pie, I don't think I've ever seen one that does this, but I was trying to replicate this texture for the Houston's key lime pie. It is absolutely delicious. Sorry, this is my second YouTube video and I forget to look at actually the lens and I'm looking at the monitor. So bear with me. So we are now going to pour our filling into our cooled pie crust. It took about 15 minutes in the freezer. Thanks so much for being with us here today. If you enjoyed it, I hope you might give us a like and a subscribe. And please comment below. I'd love to know if you have a favorite key lime pie recipe or if you've ever tasted the Houston's key lime pie. And if I could be so honored that you try my recipe, let me know if you like my version. Thanks so much, and hope to have you back at the next one.